Welcome back, everybody. Today we are making the Tropical Storm Rum Punch. To start off this cocktail, we're going to use 1 ounce of mango rum, and then 4 ounces of pineapple juice, not fresh squeezed.
Could have fooled me.
Yep, straight out to pineapple. Yeah.
Strangest looking pineapple.
Now that we have all of that in the shaker tin, we're going to add ice. So this is a super simple cocktail. This is perfect for taking to the lake, to the beach, wherever you be going. It's delicious and super tropical. All right, we're going to shake for about 10 to 15 seconds or until it's ice cold in your hands. I know. It's weird. I'm getting better. I got better. Feels funny. I'm trying to become ambidextrous with shaking because I have what we have decided to call it at work is shaker's elbow. Because this arm is really, really painful. All right. I almost forgot. Okay. Before we do anything with our glass, we are going to rim it. So I'm going to bring over my rimming utensils. All right, so I've got simple syrup on this plate. And then just granulated sugar on this one. So just make sure you get it all nice and coated evenly. Like so. Beautiful. I could say something, but I'm going to say it. Look at that rim job.
Oh my god. I was like, where are you going with that?
Sorry. It had to be said. Okay. We're going to add ice to the glass, about halfway full. And then we are going to double strain. We're going to double strain over our ice. Just because we all know that pineapple tends to get on the pulpy side. Beautiful. All right. Not going to lie. Me doing floats as of late, it's not my forte. So, bear with me. It may float, it may sink. We don't know. We shall see what happens. So normally I would use a bar spoon and pour over the back of it. However, as of late, that does not seem to be working for me. So I'm just going to go full Sendy and go right over the cube.
You stole my
full Sendy. So you're going to use approximately an ounce of blue curacao, but whenever I add it to whenever I seem to add it to a measuring vessel, it doesn't cooperate. So, and as I mentioned, it's not floating. It's just not my forte today, or it hasn't been as of late. So it is what it is. But I mean, it looks stormy. Look at the clouds.
What? I wish everyone would have seen that.
You just keep it to yourself there, Mr. Cameraman. Okay. So it no longer floaty, but it does look very stormy, which is the whole point, considering that this is our stormy rum punch cocktail. But there she be. Nice and stormy, more of a sunset than anything, but
Sinky.
sinky. It's a sinky instead of a floaty.
We're not going to float it, we're going to sink it.
Correct. Anywho's. All right. I'm going to taste the cocktail. I'm going to give you my honest opinion, and I'm going to rate it. 1 is I would have 1 cocktail and move on. 5, I would drink them all night and hate myself in the morning. Not that the blue curacao is doing too much for the flavor of this. It's more for just the aesthetic. I'm still going to go ahead and give it a shake. We're going to turn it into essentially mermaid water. A shake, a stir, whatever.
Like,
stick
what?
the spoon in the cup and go swishy, swishy. Yes. My goodness. Okay. Oh, my elbow hates me. Oh, that's quite nice. Okay. So I lied. The Curacao does do a little something something. It's not a lot. Overall, extremely tropical. So from the blue Curacao, you are tasting like the tiniest hint of orange, which is kind of crazy. I was not expecting that. I do taste the mango. Again, it's on the lighter side just because there's so much pineapple. So you could increase the the mango rum if you wanted to bring forward that mango flavor, but it is definitely in there. And of course, then you get the pineapple. So you're getting three awesome citrus fruits all at, well, mango's not citrus, but three tropical fruits all at the same time with a super simple cocktail that's very easy to build and very easy to make. So for me, I'm sorry, this is a 5 out of 5 for me. It is not overly sweet, very tropical, and yeah, I could drink a lot of this and not realize what happened. That's just it's beautiful. I highly recommend. Okay, as always, ingredient list is going to be down below. That way you can build the cocktail right at home. Maybe your float will work better than mine. Anyway, if you enjoy the cocktail, make sure you like, follow, subscribe, comment, follow. That was weird. Like, comment, subscribe. There we go. There it is. And I will see you guys at the next pour. Cheers.